Hi farmers, this is day 14 and we will be talking about the truth about strong smelling chicken house. A strong chicken house smell is not normal. It is not part of farming. It is not anything fancy. It is actually a big warning sign. At day 14, the litter moisture in the manure starts building up. It smells, comes through. It appears now and birds' performance is already being affected. Here's how. Number one, bad smell means ammonia is building up. That strong smell, that strong sharp smell is actually ammonia gas, and it comes from wet litter, poor airflow, and poor manure breakdown. Now, ammonia is invisible, but it is extremely dangerous. Number two, ammonia damages birds before you even see the sickness. You'll have low levels of ammonia, see the burn in the eyes, damage to the lungs, reduction in oxygen intake. And what happens to the birds is that they breathe poorly, they eat less, and they grow much slower. All without obvious disease. You can stress pack, you can vaccinate all you want, but if that ammonia is in the air, trust me, your birds are affected. Number three, ammonia opens the door for other diseases. Damaged airways allows for bacteria to enter, infections to spread, and immunity to eventually drop. This is why respiratory problems start after bad smells appear. Number four, farmers get used to the smell, but trust me, the birds can't handle it. Your nose adapts, birds' lungs don't. Because birds have a very special and unique respiratory system. They remember the smell and their lungs can't handle it as much as we do. If your eyes burn, birds are already suffering. If you cough inside your chicken coop, birds are already breathing poison. Number five, medicine does not fix bad air. Unfortunately, this is a management problem. You cannot medicate ammonia away. If the air stays bad, treatment fails, and the problems return. Why? Why this costs money is that bad air causes slower growth, poor feed conversion, higher mortality, more medication costs, and which ultimately reduces your profit every day as long as this problem exists. So what do you do on day number 14? Is that you remove wet litter, you improve airflow, you fix drinker leaks, and you reduce the moisture in the chicken coop. Remember, fresh air equals faster growth. If your coop smells bad, your birds have a breathing problem. I've created a day 1 to 14 checklist to manage you, help your litter, your airflow, your bird comfort daily. Check the link in the description. It's a free download that will help you not do any guesswork. You know exactly what to do from day 1 right up to day number 42. And if you want more insight like this, I've created a Broiler Gems which helps you grow from small investments to large profits. Take advantage of this, it's on sale, and I'll see you on day number 15. Now, when you realize that your wood shavings need to be changed, is that as soon as they change color from a light tan brown to a dark greenish sight, then you know that you have a problem and there's ammonia in the air. And before it even gets there, you need to make sure that you keep your coop clean, keep your bedding dry, and avoid any moisture that costs. Even when you add water in your coop, avoid spilling, avoid unnecessary water on the floor, because that is where the buildup happens. That is where the ammonia rises. And the problem with that is you need to alleviate or remove that as soon as possible before it starts affecting your chicks. Because remember, they breathe and their respiratory system is very unique to ours. We can take in poison, but because they constantly breathing and their lungs need to filter and filtrate through the poisons, and they live in there, it's a poisonous gas to them. Ammonia is dangerous in many aspects. Hence why when even clean and the product say read that there's ammonia, you are advised to wear a mask. So ammonia is gas and you should treat it as such. First sight of it is wet litter. Make sure that you get rid of that. It is not healthy. It is not a normal smell. It's not farm smell. It's not the chicken smell. It is actually poison or ruminating in the air. Farmers, I've created a day 1 to day 42 checklist for you. Free link to download is in the description. And if you want a more detailed process of farming with small investments to large profits, I've also created a Broiler Gems which will help you grow your farming business, poultry farming business, from a small investment to large profits. See you in the next video. Take care of your chickens. Remember, fresh water, a clean environment promotes for healthy growth of birds on a consistent and daily basis. Thank you for watching.